Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix my Synchrony app not working. So let's get started. So here I can see the My Synchrony app. So if it's not working for you, then you have to probably follow this instruction. Just press and hold right here. Then here you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. So right here you have to scroll down and click on the storage. Just click on clear data. Okay. And you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, like you have to do the update. So at here we have to go to the Google search bar, and at here I will directly search for the synchronology, like my synchrony. Okay, here you can set my synchrony app. So from here I can update it and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.